Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at Process.st Tutorial 2025, Workflow Automation and Task Management Tutorial, Process.st. Process.st is a powerful workflow automation and task management tool designed to help businesses streamline their operations, automate processes, and improve productivity. In this tutorial, we will walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Process.st in 2025, from setting up your account to automating workflows and managing tasks. Whether you are a small business owner or part of a larger team, Process.st will help you efficiently manage tasks and workflows, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Step 1. Setting up your Process.st account. To get started with Process.st, the first step is to create an account. Here's how to do it. Number 1. Visit the website. Go to the Process.st homepage. 2. Sign up. Click on Sign up and choose to create an account using your email address, Google or Slack. 3. Choose a plan. Process.st offers different pricing plans depending on your business needs. You can start with a free plan for small teams or explore premium plans for more advanced features. 4. Complete your profile. Once you have signed up, complete your profile by adding your business name, logo, and other relevant details. After setting up your account, you'll be taken to the Process.st dashboard where you can begin creating workflows and managing tasks. Step number 2. Creating a new workflow. Now that your account is set up, let us dive into creating your first workflow. Workflows in Process.st are structured as templates that can be used repeatedly for recurring processes. 1. Create a new template. From the dashboard, click on the Create New Template button. Select a template type. You can start from scratch or use a pre-built template from the library. 2. Name your workflow. Give your template a descriptive name based on the process it is for. Example, client onboarding or weekly report. 3. Add task. Add tasks that need to be performed in your workflow by clicking Add Task. Each task should be a specific action that needs to be completed. You can include details about the task, such as descriptions, assignees, and deadlines. 4. Use checklist. For each task, you can create a checklist of steps. This helps break down tasks into smaller, manageable actions. 5. Set task assignments. Assign tasks to team members. You can assign tasks to individuals or groups and set due dates to ensure timely completion. Number 6. Save and activate your workflow. Once you have added all your tasks and organized them in the desired sequence, save the template and make it ready for use. Step 3. Automating your workflow. One of the most powerful features of Process.st is its automation capabilities. This allows you to automate certain parts of your workflow, saving time and reducing manual work. 1. Set up automation rules. Within your template, you can add automation rules for specific tasks. For example, you can set up automatic reminders, task assignments, or approval processes. 2. Automatic task creation. You can automate the creation of tasks based on triggers. For instance, if a new client is added to your CRM system, a new client onboarding workflow can be automatically triggered. 3. Notifications and approvals. Set up notifications to alert team members when a task is assigned, completed, or overdue. You can also automate approval workflows, where certain tasks require approval before moving forward. 4. Integrations with other tools. Process.st integrates with tools like Zapier, Slack, Google Drive, and more, allowing you to connect your workflows with other systems in your organization. For example, you can automate creating tasks in Process.st based on data from a Google Sheet, or send a Slack message when a task is completed. Step number 4. Managing tasks and tracking progress. After setting up your workflows, it is time to start using them. Here's how you can manage tasks and track their progress. 1. Start a workflow. Go to your templates and click Start Workflow to initiate the workflow process. Fill in any necessary details, example, client name, project information, to customize the workflow for that specific instance. 2. Assign tasks. Tasks are automatically assigned to the team members specified in the template. You can also reassign tasks if necessary. 3. Track progress. Use the dashboard to track the progress of tasks in real time. You can see which tasks are complete, in progress, or overdue. 4. Collaborate with team members. Process.st provides collaborative features such as comments, file attachments, and add mentions so your team can work together on tasks. 5. Use conditional logic. If you need to make your workflow more dynamic, you can use conditional logic to route tasks differently based on certain criteria. For example, if a task is approved, it might trigger a different set of follow-up tasks. Step number 5, reporting and analytics. Tracking the effectiveness of your workflows and tasks is crucial for optimizing processes. Process.st offers built-in reporting and analytics features to help you measure performance. 1. View task reports. The reports section lets you view detailed reports on completed tasks, overdue tasks, and overall progress. 2. Filter reports. You can filter reports based on various criteria, such as task status, assignee, or due dates. 3. Export data. Export reports in formats like CSV or Excel for further analysis or sharing with stakeholders. 4. Analyze workflow efficiency. Track how long tasks take to complete, identify bottlenecks, and make improvements to your workflows based on the data collected. Step number 6, using the mobile app. Process.st also offers a mobile app, which allows you to manage workflows and tasks on the go. 1. Download the app. Available for iOS and Android. Download the Process.st mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. 2. Access tasks anywhere. With the mobile app, you can start, track, and complete tasks from anywhere, whether you are in the office or working remotely. 3. Push notifications. Get instant notifications when a task is assigned, completed, or overdue, so you never miss an important action. Best practices for using Process.st. To get the most out of Process.st, consider the following best practices. 1. Consistency is key. Make sure your workflows are clear and detailed so team members can easily follow them without confusion. 2. Regularly review and optimize. Regularly review your workflows and make adjustments based on feedback and performance data to ensure maximum efficiency. 3. Train your team. Ensure all team members are familiar with how Process.st works so they can use it effectively and efficiently. 4. Utilize integrations. Take advantage of Process.st's integrations with other tools to automate as much of your workflow as possible. In conclusion, Process.st is an excellent tool for automating workflows and managing tasks in 2025. With its easy-to-use interface, powerful automation features, and deep integration capabilities, it is a great solution for businesses looking to streamline their processes and boost productivity. By following this tutorial, you can set up and manage your workflows, automate tasks, and track progress to ensure your team works efficiently and stays on top of tasks. Whether you are a small team or a larger organization, Process.st will help you manage your operations with ease. And that is all there is on Process.st Tutorial 2025, Workflow and Automation Task Management Tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.